So, good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed questions from exercise 13.5. We discussed the last question was question number 8, in which we had a solid cube. We have cut it in 8 pieces and we had to find the dimension of smaller cube. I hope this question was clear to everyone. Class, please confirm. In this question, we had equated the volume of larger cube with the smaller cubes and we found the value of P in this case. Now let's see question number 9, which is a little bit tricky for you to understand at the first time. Those who have done question number 9, it's very good because little bit different concept is there. Let's start. Question number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. So you can tell me what they are trying to say. You all have seen rivers. In this case, they are trying to take an analogy with river of which 3D figure. Sir, voice is echoing. Vaishnav, little bit will be there for today only. Tomorrow onwards it will be fine. Don't worry. Okay. Uh, okay. Class, please tell me how will you see this river? If a river is like this, that they have given you the depth of river as what is the depth? It is 3 meter deep. That means this thing is given to you as 3 meter, and they have given you the this thing 40 meter wide. Okay, and they are telling that the speed of river is 2 kilometer per hour. First of all, class, if you want to see it as a 3D figure, tell me which 3D figure we can tell it is. Yes, we can say it is a cuboid. Now the problem is what length of cuboid you will take. Please tell me what should be the length of cuboid taken. Please tell. If we are considering, okay, Vaishnav is saying we can take it as 2000 meters. No, beta Vaishnav, it is not correct because you also know normally the rivers are very long. You can't take the length as that much. Yes, Utkarsh is correct. He is saying it is like infinite. We can't measure it right now. We don't know from where it is coming, from where it is going. We can't say that thing. They have given us the speed of this river. Okay, let me read the question completely. They are saying a river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. Let me show you like this. The speed of this river is 2 kilometer per hour. They are saying how much water will fall into the sea. Suppose this is the sea. This is a bowl which we call as sea. In this, how much water will fall after how many minutes? After 1 minute. So actually we have to find in 1 minute how much water will come out. Okay. Have you all seen bread slices? Class, please tell me. Have you all seen bread slice, the packet of bread? Please tell. Have you all seen? Yes, we all have seen packet of bread. Suppose this is your harvest rolled bread, in which we have. Okay, Rudra, correct. We all have seen bread packet. In this bread, we have many slices like this. Like this, we have many slices. Okay. Suppose this packet of bread is kept on a height and below we have a container. These bread slices are falling down at a speed of suppose 2 bread per second. So we can tell after 1 minute how many bread will fall down. Please tell. After 1 minute, how many breads will be there in the container? 120 will be there. So you have to use this analogy in this question also. Class, try to understand. I am taking this river as this bread packet, which is containing infinite breads. This packet is containing infinite breads. And one slice of bread is falling down with the speed 2 breads per second. Means in 1 second, 2 breads are falling down. So in 1 minute, we will have 120 slices of breads on the container. Now, I hope this concept is little bit clear to you now that we can't take the length right now. Length can't be taken in this river because it is not given to you. Instead of length, they are giving you the speed of this river. Class, please tell me, are you able to understand this thing? Sir, can we say in a given time water is 3 multiplied 40? Yes, you can say that thing. You can say, let me tell you that clearly. Okay, let me start the question now. Okay, so this is the question. First of all, we have to convert the unit of speed. Why we have to convert? Because if you observe, the dimensions of rivers are in 3 meters and 40 meters, and the speed of water is given to you as 2 kilometers per hour. So first, let's change the speed of water, that is 2 km per hour. We can write this as 2 into 1000 upon, for hours we have to convert into seconds or minutes. Class, please tell me, shall we convert this hours into minutes or seconds? What would be better? Better would be minutes, because the question is asking after 1 minute. Class, try to observe. The question is asking after 1 minute how much water will fall in the sea. So better, I think we should take it as minutes only. So we have converted this kilometer into 1000 meters, and we are converting the hours into minutes only. I'm not going for 3600 seconds because that is not required. That is why I have converted the unit into kilometers per minute. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's solve this. How much it can be solved? This will cut 2 3s are. So it is 100 meters per minute. Okay, so we can say in 1 minute 100 meter will fall down. Okay, class, are you able to understand this thing? Sorry, 100 by 3, my mistake. Now we have to find in 1 minute only. We can consider it as a cube now. Let me tell you how. Okay, if you want, you can take it as a cuboid now, like this. In 1 minute, we can say now that it was 40 meter. It was how much? 3 meter. And now we can take the length as how much, class? For the 1 minute thing, we can take the length as, please tell me, this concept or this new way just came to my mind, that now we can take the length for 1 minute only. Yes, we can take for 1 minute, the length will be how much? Class, please tell me. 100 upon 3. Very good. So this thing just came to my mind. I never did this question like this before. Just it came to my mind that we can take it as a small cuboid. Actually, we can't tell what is the length of this cuboid, but as soon as we have the time with us, we can say in 1 minute, this length, we can say in 1 minute, this was the speed. We can say in 1 minute, 100 upon 3 meters will fall. So that means we can take it as the length of cuboid, which we are considering. Now, all of you, is it tough for you to find this volume now? We know the length, we know the breadth, we know the height. Earlier, the only problem was length, but now we have the length. We can easily find the volume of water falling down. Sir, it is not 100 upon 3 meters in 1 minute. I think it is 100 meter upon 3 minutes. No, 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 no. Piyush, it is not like that. Actually, the unit is meter per minute only. This is my way of writing only. So don't confuse with this. Okay, it is a combined unit. Okay, sir, we could take 2000 meter also and then solve the time part. Yes, yes, Vaishnav, that is also correct. But in that case, if you take 2000 meters, you have to convert into minutes then finally. Okay, Vaishnav, that is also correct. If you are considering 2000 meters. Okay. Now let us find the volume and tell how much water will fall in 1 minute. The volume of water falling in 1 minute will be given by L into B into H, that is 100 upon 3, that is the length we have found, and the breadth is 40 and this is 3. Now see, this is the benefit of not cutting and taking decimals. This 3 will cancel directly and the answer is 4000 meters cube. The answer is 4000 meters cube, or we can convert this into liters also if you want. Class, we all know in 1 meter cube how many liters are there? Please confirm. No, एक्सेप्ट नो 40 लीटर बेटा, ये ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना. In 1 meter cube there are 1000 liters, so we have to multiply by 1000, not divide. So let's see, 4000 into 1000 liters. This will be the answer in liters. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Class, please tell. Sir, I did in 60 minutes. Okay, Utkarsh, that is correct. That is correct. Utkarsh, you got the correct answer by this method. The answer came correct. The volume of water falling. Then it is fine. What you did is you took the complete case. What I did is I found the case for 1 minute. Try to understand. Let me tell you again. The question is like this. We had some river. They had given you the speed as how much? 2 km per hour. If you consider for 1 hour, if you take time for 1 hour, you can take the length as how much? Class, please tell me. If the question asks in 1 hour how much water will fall, what length you will take of the water? In that case, please tell me. If the time was 1 hour, you could have taken the length as 2 kilometers or 2000 meters. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. Sorry, only M. But in our question, as it was saying, you have to take for 1 minute. So I have taken for 1 minute only. Instead of dividing further, I just made it for 1 minute by converting the speed that was 2 km per hour as 2 into 1000 meters upon 60 minutes. This I did to find in 1 minute time what should be the length of this cuboid. Yes, class? Clear to everyone what we did? Length was not given to us. I did a way to find the length. Okay, that's it. Now let's move to the next topic. If anyone has doubt, you can ask. Even if you want to speak something, I will unmute you. You can tell me. Anyone? Or shall we proceed further? The next topic. Please confirm, class. Anyone? Okay, next topic. Anyone who wants to ask anything in this exercise while solving the questions, if you had any doubt, you can ask. Anyone? Please confirm by P or R. If you want to ask something, you can ask. So please repeat once again. Okay, let's see. I'm again repeating. The question was like this. You have a river and they are telling that the river is 3 meter deep. So it is 3 meter deep, we can take it as height. Then they are saying the river is 40 meter wide. That means the breadth. But they are not telling anything about the length, Piyush. You have to see. Instead of length, they are saying that the speed of water is 2 km per hour. You all have seen in a video, there is a thing known as frame per second. Piyush, you must have heard FPS, frame per second. Similarly here, they are trying to say in 1 hour, a complete block of water whose length is 2 km. In their way, they are trying to say कि bhai, in 1 hour, 2 km of length of water will be in sea. By water is going continuously. Piyush, you know this thing. Water is flowing continuously, but they are trying to say in 1 hour, exactly 2 km of length of water will be in water. Sorry, will be in C. Is this thing clear to you, Piyush? They are trying to say कि 1 घंटे में 2 किलोमीटर की लेंथ पानी की समुद्र के अंदर होगी. Now question is saying we have to tell कि 1 मिनट में कितनी होगी. Try to understand. In 1 minute how much water will fall. अब बात ये आ जाती है कि जो water is falling in that is a capacity, that is a meter cube, that is not a length. भाई पानी की लेंथ तो हम निकाल लेंगे, but we have to find how many liters of water is going there. Okay, so we don't know the value of L right now. Okay, so what I did, the first thing is I tried to find in 1 minute how much length will go. How much length should I consider? For that, I converted this speed into meters per minute. Speed was 200 upon 3, sorry, 2 kilometer per hour. I can say it is 2 into 1 kilometer upon 1 minute, 1 hour, which can be written as 2 into 1000 meters upon 60 minutes. By solving this, we got 100 upon 3 meters per minute. And by this, Piyush, I said, in 1 minute, 100 upon 3 meters of length will be considered. What do you say, Piyush? I was saying here, in 1 minute, 100 upon 3 meters of length of this river will be considered. Okay, Piyush, shall I unmute you, Piyush? Piyush, shall I unmute you? Okay, 1 second, I am unmuting you. Okay. Yes, Piyush.
Sir, I was saying that it is 100 meter per 3 minutes.
Okay. So you are confusing a little bit, na? This is meter per minute, only this thing. It is not like that which you are thinking. If you are saying that also, that is also fine. If you are saying in 3 minutes, it is 100 meters. आप यही कह रहे हो ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, इसको फिर से एक कर देते हैं. In 1 minute, it will be how much? आप बताओ. अगर बस बात तो वही है भाई. आप if I tell you to touch your nose, if you are touching it from front or by rotating your hand from back, it is the same thing, है ना? Now it is clear. Now it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is Ayush, I think, huh? This is Ayush, na? Hello. Again, you have put yourself on mute. Okay, let's see. Now I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, it was confused only. Okay. Now let's see the next concept, volume of cylinder. Earlier I used to do this question by a different way, and plus let me tell you one more thing. One more question is there of this type in which we have a circular mouth. There is a cylindrical pipe like this. They will tell you that the speed of pipe is something like same 2 kilometer per hour, and the radius given to you as 3 meters. In this kind of question also, you have to use the same concept. Class, please tell me, is this clear to you? In these kind of questions also, you have to use the same concept. Are you getting this? When there is a cylindrical pipe, same concept will be used, because here this length you don't know. Again, you have to find using the way we did in the above question. Class, please confirm. Everyone? Okay. The next concept is volume of cylinder. The next concept is volume of. Sir, please give this question. Vaishnav, don't worry. The next concept is cylinder. The question will come automatically in front of you. Okay? Just wait and watch. So the concept is volume of cylinder. So cylinder, we all have seen the TSA and CSA. If you remember, we have seen the CSA was perimeter of one coin, that is 2 pi r, and we multiplied it with h. So we got it as 2 pi rh. Similarly, we got the TSA of cylinder. by adding the top and bottom, which was pi r square for the upper circle, pi r square for the down circle, and we got the answer as 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, which was 2 pi r plus h. This was the TSA. But now we are considering the volume. Class, please tell me, if we are taking cylinder as a stack of coin, which quantity or which thing we should consider of a coin for the volume thing? What is coming in the inside of the cylinder? We have to consider that, and that is the area. Area of one coin is how much? Area of one coin is pi r square. So we are taking area of one coin, and we know there is a stack of height h. The height is h, so we will say it is pi r square h. This is the volume. Yes, this is the volume. Now let us see some questions based on this volume of cylinder. You can try these examples on your own. These are nice. You can try example number 14. Time is 26 right now. Let me give you the hint. Example 14 is saying, at a Ramzan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel. You all have seen the jugs, hai na? In our home also we have a jug and some glasses with it. Same like that. The jug is in the shape of cylinder like this. You have observed, as soon as I start reading the question, I make the figure so that I can write the things I am getting from the question as it is. So this is the jug we are having. Now let me read again. A stall keeper is having a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 centimeter. So we have, I think we have two cylinders over here. No? Okay, simple R we can take. R is equal to 15 centimeter. Then they are saying height is 32 centimeter. Now they are saying orange juice is there. The juice is filled in small cylindrical glasses. So there are some glasses small like this. And okay, we know there it is also. So class, there is a issue. You can't take both as small r and small h. We should change it. We should take the larger one as capital H and capital H, because we have two cylinders now, so we have to compare. Here I will take it as small r and small h. Class, are you getting this? To reduce the confusion, I have changed the variables. Class, please confirm. So this is 3 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter of the glass. Now let us see. They are asking how much money does the stall keeper? Okay, if one glass is sold for rupees 15, one glass juice is for rupees 15. So how much the shopkeeper will earn? For that we just need to find how many glasses the shopkeeper will sell. Yes class, what do you say? If we are able to find the number of glasses we will get from one cylinder, I think we can easily tell by multiplying with 15. Yes class? So first tell me what should be the relation between this cylinder and these glasses. First tell me that what should be the relation between the larger cylinder and the small glasses. Because first we try to find the number of glasses. Our first motive is to find the number of glasses we can obtain from this large cylinder. Tell me first. Everyone? Yes, we can say the volume of cylinder or the volume of jug, large cylinder, we can say volume of larger cylinder will be equal to N, that is number of glasses into volume of one glass. That's it. As soon as you solve this thing, you will get the value of N, and as soon as you get the value of number of glasses, you can just multiply with the 15 rupees. So the earning will be how much? Earning will be rupees 15 into number of glasses. That's it. And that will be your earning from this thing. Okay. Anyone who wants to ask anything can ask. Any doubt? If you want me to repeat this, you can tell me. If you want to speak something, you can tell me. I will unmute you. Please tell. You can confirm by P if you got the answer. You can tell R also if you want me to repeat this. Okay, good, Piyush. Others, please confirm first. I want all of you to interact in some way, at least by confirming that you got the answer. Please type at least P. P also you are taking a lot of time. Okay, good. Now it is coming. So I think it is 30. We can close it. Or let me see the questions. For today, I forgot to give you the questions also. No, the homework. Let me give you also. Okay, 13.6. Class, today try to solve this question of 13.6. Okay, and whatever you can solve, tomorrow we will consider more questions and your doubts also. Okay, let me stop the recording.